Aika for governor. A netizen had this comment on a Facebook post of Vice President VP Robredo when she talked about her eldest child. The VP shared a newspaper article profiling Aika's public service work. As a young girl, Aika had been exposed to the life of a politico. Like her father, the late DILG Secretary Aika Robredo, Aika has a master's degree in public administration at the Harvard John F. Kennedy School of Government. In the 2019 elections, Robredo revealed there were groups urging Aika to run in an elected position. Why not push it in 2022? Robredo said it's not yet time for Aika to follow her parents' footsteps. Robredo replied to the netizen in their dialect.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.